Aloha kako. Hey everybody, welcome to an Umi developer update. So, what have we been working on recently? You might have seen that we have a lot of bug updates over the last couple of months, but not necessarily a ton of feature updates. That's because in the past, we kind of put everything together with sticks and glue. And now that the app is growing and there's a lot more excitement around it, a lot of that glue is kind of failing and we need to fix it. So we're on the end portion of fixing the architecture and bugs for the core of the app, as well as improving course materials itself. We've improved our editing capabilities for courses, hired a bunch of editors, and as well as kind of improved the standards around course data, clip translations and the types of clips that we're selecting. So quality is improving across the board. So what's coming next? What kind of features can you guys expect? The next thing that we're working on, which is something that I'm hearing consistently from people, is that they want more practice. I think that on this point, it's interesting because spaced repetition is actually there to minimize the amount of practice you need to memorize words, but it's not really giving you guys the confidence that you want around like the ability to use words. For example, usually in spaced repetition, when you first learn a word, the next time you need to review it is 2 days later, and then like 5 days later, 14, 21 days later, and an updated algorithm that we're using, which we thought would be a great idea, like even reduces that in half because it's a lot more optimized. But what's happening is that you guys are not feeling confident with the words that you're learning. So instead of changing the core flashcard system, I think what we want to do, and well, we are doing, is we're going to add other practice systems that you can just repeat as much as you want and even customly select what you'd like to study. And I think that will build your confidence while at the same time, if you want to minimize the amount of work that you do and not have to put as much time in it, you can just do your daily space repetition based flashcard reviews. So that's, kind of where we're going there. A little bit of cool, exciting updates about the company. We've been super busy. By the way, I say company, but we're two people. We have people part-time helping out, working on the project. In total, I think there's about 10 helpers on Umi right now, but that is going to be expanding soon. We have taken part in this cool accelerator called Blue Startups, which has been helping advise us, as well as find us funding so we can hire people and we can really take Umi to the next level. Remember, apps like Duolingo, they have 700 plus people and we're just still two full-time here. So I'm excited about what we can do when we can bring on more people. We're actually looking for full-time, full stack mobile developer right now. So if you are listening to this, you're probably right in the space that we're looking for. And if you're a full-time developer, please reach out to me at jason@umiapp.co. And I'd love to talk to you about maybe joining on if you've got the right skill set and the passion for language learning and what we're doing here. Outside of that, I think that's about it right now. But I'm going to try to do some of these more often. I said that last time, but I promise. As long as I can just do them quickly in one cut, I think it'll be fine. So look forward to talking to you more. Please, more of you, if you haven't, join our Discord. It's really active. And honestly, I'm there a little bit more often because that's where a lot of bug reports and conversations happen. I'm also on Twitter. You can always find me at SoulGlider42. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you guys in a few weeks. Bye.